Right, it is Monday. I've been in the country 2 days from Germany, and I've already booked to go back in May, so that's next month, 5 weeks time to be precise. So there's a lot to do on the car. It's not particularly broken, it just needs improving slightly. It's an ongoing battle. At the racetrack I did mention, and I believe I mentioned that the brakes felt really spongy after a couple of laps. I think that's because I boiled my brake fluid, so I've got some new brake fluid. I've gone with RBF 600 by Motul. It's meant to be half good. To be fair, I've never tried it, I've never gone with the racing brake fluid, I've just gone 5.1, and it's always, you know, been very good. I'm going quicker, maybe I need something a bit more beefier, so we've gone for that. 15 quid a bottle, seemed reasonable. There's also a massive rake of things that I want to do to the car. I can't do it all today. I don't know how far I'm going to get today because I've got very little effort and it's about 3:30 in the afternoon. But I'm going to flush the brake system and get the new fluid in, seeing as though that come in today. So first things first, all wheels off, jack car up, all that good stuff, and get on axle stands. So cue the montage. Right, after about an hour of messing about, I've eventually got most of them free. There's just one nipple that needs replacing that I can't do, so it'll be a most flush. We've got my glamorous assistant to help doing the pumping of the brakes. So Beth will pump the brakes, I'll release fluid, and then we'll just keep topping it up with the new stuff. Should be nice and easy, but hey, you never know. So let's continue. Up and down, babe.
Yeah.
Up and down. Up and down.
Yeah.
Right, so that's one corner done. Oh, mucky as hell. You just keep moving around car, keep pulling fluid through with my glamorous assistant. So, oh dear me. Front caliper next. Pump it a few times and hold, babe.
Yeah.
Where are we? Right, that's another wheel done. Remember to keep topping the fluid up, otherwise you're just going to pull air into the system. So one more corner and then we should be there. Pump it. There we go. Right, that's the brakes fluid changed. Not gonna lie, that isn't the best looking brake fluid I've ever come across. But hey ho, it's all changed now, so hopefully we won't have that issue on track. probably going to call it a day. It's probably the world's shortest video, this actually. But we've got a few bits to do. I've just got to order a rate load of bits. I've got more brake modifications to come. I've got to cut holes in bonnets, all the good stuff. So stay tuned for all that. So while the car's up in air, noticed it, and I keep meaning to do it, that all the arches, they've scuffed a little. I don't know if you can see just here. So I'm just going to trim and trim across. Got my little Dremel, Dremel it, just make it nice and neat. Hopefully it'll then not get caught and make a horrible catching noise. So yeah, bit of Dremeling next. Right, so that's one side done. Looks a little rough, but race car. So I've just cleaned this car, it's dusty as hell. So onto the next side. Right, so pretty lucky on this side. Don't need the front trimming because it sits slightly different. Don't ask me how. On the back, still this section here, just to take a little bit off. And this wheel, this arch you can see, I just need to found some more screws. This is broke here. This is why this was flapping about. So yeah, a few more screws, easy fix. Hold up. Right, simple, bit of a random one, but one less to do. You will notice I've just got to get some more clips for here and bond that back on. The side door trim, that bit come off in Germany, but it will only want to close the door, so save that bit. Next up, oh dear me, is this chuffing bolt? No. Not if you can see. This bolt here is just backed off just a little bit. Alternator bolt, for some reason I tighten this up every time I go out in the damn car. So what I'm going to do, just double nut it. It'll just stop it from backing off. So that's next, just go find a nut. Right, that's about all I've got time for. It's about all I've got time for today. What time? Yep, about time to wrap up. Not done a great deal on this video, I do apologise, it'll be short. Just got to order a rate load of parts next week, hopefully they'll be in. then we can start with all the good stuff and start getting ready to get on the track again. So, hope you've enjoyed this short video. Cheers guys.